Welcome back and welcome to the self-hosting video, self-hosting with Docker. So if you're interested in hosting n8n with Docker, you can go ahead over to the docs.n8n.io site and then head over to hosting n8n and then head over to the Docker installation. Or you know what, let me just head over to n8n again and I'll show you exactly how we can navigate here. So n8n.io and then head over to docs self-host n8n and then do Docker installation guide. And now we're gonna head over to Docker and install that. Come on now. Let me download for Windows, being I'm on Windows. And once this download finishes, we will go ahead and install Docker if you don't have it already. All right, let's install Docker. Let's run this file. Now I already had Docker, so now at this point I'm just installing it or uninstalling the previous one, reinstalling this one. So I guess I'll just let it run. It'll come back once this is done. All right, so I have launched Docker now that I have restarted my PC and installed this. I would have said something earlier, but I actually restarted without realizing it said restart PC. So now I'm going back through these steps here and running the following. So within our docs here, we had to run this first. And I first opened up Docker desktop and then ran this. I created an account, and now I'm going to run through at the bottom here, copy this, and let's paste this into our terminal as well. All right, so that is running now. It's downloading everything we need. Let's head back here and see if there's anything else we have to do to run n8n, and it looks like we do not. Once everything is done setting up, we just have to run to our localhost URL, and we should be able to use n8n. So let's go back to Docker and see what's going on. All right, so that's still downloading. So we'll just give it some more time. Let's click on allow here. And there we go. We can see n8n is running right here within our Docker container. Let's head over to our local host hosted at this port here. So we can just click on this URL. And there we go. We're now running n8n locally. So now I could set up an owner account. All right, and now I am set up with a new account within n8n. So it says get paid features for free forever, receive a free activation key for the advanced features below. Sure, I'll take a free license key, why not? So there we go. Now we are self-hosting n8n. And that is another huge perk of n8n, and it's the fact that they allow you to self-host with Docker. Not having to run via their cloud platform is a huge perk. So that's really awesome. They allow you to do that. So that was a very pain-free and very simple setup. Just had to download Docker, run these two commands, just create a new Docker volume, and then run it. And that was it. That was a very, very straightforward setup and installation.